Welcome to MaidCV.com. What is your name and nationality?
My name is Michi S. Baldos. I'm Philippine.
Okay. How old are you?
33.
Are you single or married?
Married.
Okay. What position are you applying for?
Maids.
Housemaid.
Housemaid.
Okay. So when would you be able to start working?
November.
By November. Okay. So do you have relatives here in UAE?
No.
You don't have. Okay. Please describe your present job. What are you doing right now with your present employer?
Uh, Present employer.
Yes. What are you doing right now? Are you a housemaid, a nanny, or an all-around housemaid?
All around housemaid.
Okay. So what are your duties and responsibilities for the family?
Uh, cleaning the kitchen,
Mm-hmm.
bathroom,
Okay.
and then window,
Okay.
then living room,
Do you cook
bedrooms,
for them?
and then take care to babies.
Take care. How many children are under your care?
Only one children.
Only one. Okay. So what do you enjoy doing in your present job? Cleaning or looking after the children?
Cleaning, looking after the children.
Okay. So describe how are you going to clean the living room, the kitchen, the bedroom, the toilet, and which
Yeah,
part of the house are you going to clean first?
okay.
What are you going to clean first? Which part of the house?
Uh, in bedroom, and then
Bedroom.
toilet. Yeah, bedroom, toilet, then living room, and the last kitchen, and then the window.
Okay, so for the bedroom, how many times in a week do you have to change the bed sheets?
Uh, every 1 a week.
Once a week. So how do you
Yeah,
maintain the cleanliness of the toilet? How many times a day? How many times in a day do you have
once
to clean the toilet?
once a day.
Once a day.
Yeah,
Okay, so what would you do if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around?
I asking first.
Okay. So do you know how to cook?
Yeah,
What kind of food you can cook?
uh, Filipino food, biryani. I know also, uh, but I know already to cook American food like that.
Okay. So do you know how to follow instruction in cookbooks?
Yeah,
Mm-hmm. So how much is your expected minimum salary?
I think 2,000.
At least 2,000.
Yeah.
Okay. So describe yourself and give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you?
I'm hardworking, flexible, very kind, smiling.
Okay. So please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you, Michi from HCV.com. Thank you.